going on, Sean? So tell me about Ari, honey. Ow! Tell me about Aryani.
Nice try.
Tell me about Aryani. Tell me about Aryani.
Why don't you ask her yourself?
No, you tell me.
I want to kind of have an intervention with Ari and Sean.
Who doesn't? Her mom already had an intervention with her.
Well, now it's time to be friends.
What happened? What happened?
What did you say? Let's have an intervention with you too. What do you mean?
Like we haven't gone through enough interventions with friends and family.
You say your mom had an intervention with you?
No,
we'll play with us.
This is a cute
Couple ever. Wait. Sorry.
dow. Dow. It's downess.
No. Scarlett, you need to turn the camera on. You. Oh, little ears.
Yeah, hey, turn that off. I just will.
Okay, bye.